So you're thinking about having a jury trial in your Maryland medical malpractice case. Want to know more? Stay with me as I share with you some information about this very important legal concept. Hello, I'm attorney Renee Boston, and I'm one of the birth injury and medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group LLC. And I want to share with you just some brief information about the jury selection process in the state of Maryland. Now, you've probably seen jury selection in different TV shows and things like that on TV, but the process, that if you're actually going through with it, can be quite different. For instance, the number of jurors that are selected, the type of trials that they're selected, and how the jury selection process actually goes can be very different. And the differences like this can depend on which jurisdiction you're in. It could depend on state by state, and actually within each state it could depend on county by county or city or whatever. So how the process works in general in Maryland is that all the jurors who are called for jury duty are assembled in a large jury room, and they're given some brief kind of a welcome and understanding of how the process works. And then from that giant room, they are broken down into little groups and they go into the different courtrooms. And most times, well, more than likely, they're asked questions via the voir dire process. Here in Maryland, the attorneys don't usually ask the questions. It's more likely the judges that will ask the questions during the voir dire process. And during that voir dire process, the questions that are asked, they're usually answers that are solicited from the questions that will help the attorneys kind of narrow down the selection process and help them to select which jurors they think will be best or more beneficial for their side of the case. So once again, it all depends. Nothing is like you're going to see it on TV, but just want to give you some brief information about how the process works in the state of Maryland. So if you're still watching, what I invite you to do is like this video and make sure you follow us on YouTube as well as on our Facebook pages. Now, we answer questions like this all the time here on our YouTube channel and on our website. So if you have questions like this is what I invite you to do. Pick up the phone and give us a call. We can be reached at 301-850-4832. Again, that's 301-850-4832. Or you can send us an email. We answer questions like this all the time. You can send us an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. So that is going to be it for today's quick educational video. And again, I am Renee Boston. I am one of the birth injury and medical malpractice attorneys located here at Boston Law Group LLC in the state of Maryland. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.